to miss it. Let's get right into it. But first and foremost, nothing said here is considered financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Let's jump right into it. So Polygon, in its latest string of collaborations, announced that the Polygon team will be working with Indian law enforcement. The blockchain will be working to create an online compliant FIR portal. Now, even though this collaboration may further improve the state of crypto adoption, it is still to be determined whether this new development can have a positive impact on the state of Polygon. Here's an official tweet from Polygon. This one is close to our heart. Upolis has launched India's first police-compliant portal on Polygon. The Polygon SuperNet for Upolis is managed by AirChains.io, a middleware SaaS, which is software as a service, which enables you to run your own blockchain network with customizable features. Now, wow. So one of the few areas where Polygon showed growth aside from its collaborations will be growth in the number of stakers. According to staking rewards, the number of stakers on the Polygon network grew by 5.34% over the past 30 days. However, there was a sharp decline when it came to the revenue being generated by the stakers. The revenue depreciated by a massive 39% in the past month. Furthermore, if the revenue keeps declining, it will become difficult for Polygon to keep the growth of the stakers. A good time for Matic. Another positive factor was the massive spike observed in terms of network growth on Polygon. Over the last month, Polygon's network growth increased by a large amount, indicating that the amount of new addresses that transferred their Matic tokens for the first time grew. This implied that new addresses activity was increasing. Further evidence of high activity on the Polygon network will be the spike in number of daily active addresses in the last 30 days. As can be observed from the image below, the number of daily active addresses grew by a considerable amount in the aforementioned time frame. The spike in daily active addresses could hint at potential growth upcoming in the near future. So not all that good here. So despite Polygon's growing activity, its value remained volatile and saw huge fluctuations over the past month, as is evident from the chart below. Furthermore, Polygon's market value to realized value (MV/RV) ratio declined considerably as well, which could be considered a potential bearish indicator. Now, despite the blockchain's growing number of collaborations and surge in daily activity, Matic stood as a victim of the bear market. At press time, Matic was trading at 0.79 or almost 80 cents and had depreciated by 2%. Its value depreciated by 31% in the last 24 hours, along with its market cap, which fell by 3.2%. Polygon accounted for 0.75% of total crypto market cap at the time of writing. Additionally, its volatility depreciated as well, thus indicating that if investors wanted to buy Polygon, it would be considerably less risky. So with that being said, I would suggest that Matic, Polygon, the entire crypto market, just as everyone else has been saying, is looking bearish for the moment. Now, could we see a rally potentially? Yes, but let's take a look at Matic on the charts here and see what we're able to see. Let's take a look here. So let's jump right into it. Let's see. I haven't charted Matic previously, so let's see. Let's take a look. Currently sitting at almost 80 cents, about 79.5 cents. Let's just look at, this is the 4 hour, right? So let's see. So here's the June lows. So we'll just start, like I said, I always start off my trading with patterns. So look, there's the June lows, and there's, the uptrend, right? Since June we've been uptrending. And let's see, let's take a look at some of the tops. So here's the top. The August 13th top was about $1.04, $1.05. So bam, put a line there, and let's see. And just based off these two lines right here, you can already see a pattern forming. And leave in the comments what pattern this is. But you could say it's a triangle, right? It's an ascending. Is this an ascending triangle? an ascending triangle, and this is the resistance right here. So it's slowly building up. I like, you know, patterns are very strong, and as you can see, this looks healthy. It's slowly building up here, using this line is acting as resistance. And but if we do see it fall below this line, we'll be looking here for any potential support. So, and I like to make my support lines blue, and then resistance is red, of course. And so just so without even using any indicators like RSI, MACD, just this pattern alone, you can kind of start to see like, okay, you can kind of make some you know, more informed trading decisions once you get in here and start, you know, just drawing lines on these charts here for yourself. You know, it can kind of make you feel more comfortable with your buys and your sales. And for me, if I was, you know, definitely trading Matic long or Polygon long term, and or holding long term and just trading short term, then I would look here as a potential area of interest for buying some more Matic. You know, we are down quite a bit, you know, especially since earlier this year. This is, you know, the June lows were, you know, an ideal area of entry. If you look at the June lows and then we take it to the highs, you know, from June to August, Polygon or Matic made 200% gains. So if you had bought Matic in June at the lows and just held, you know, for what, June, July, August, held for, you know, about a month or two, month and a half, you know, that's a 2x. So despite us being in the bear market, there's always there's constant opportunities. So that's what I always like to preach and harp on with people. It's like there's always opportunities in crypto. Doesn't matter what kind of a market we're in, but it all depends on who you have in your community and who you have around you. Because if you don't have a good, you know, a solid team of people and community of people telling you these things, then you're kind of just, you know, you're kind of just left out. You know, you don't know what's happening. You feel like nobody's making any money, nobody's making any moves in crypto, and that's not true. So, and join my Telegram while I still have it open, because like I said, that's one of the ways to get into your first community. And like I said, I won't have it open for very long, because I don't need you guys to join, but I'm just trying to help people out by putting it out there and offering, you know, a hand. But as you can see, I'm making moves in crypto regardless. That's why I don't really make these videos on YouTube like that, because I already have plenty of work to do. These videos are more helpful to you than me. So, but with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Instagram Scheme of Crypto. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check out the Patreon if you don't want to wait for these videos to come out and you want to know what I got going on. Coins I'm looking at, you know, alpha I'm finding in my research, etc. But besides that, yeah, Instagram Scheme of Crypto. I'm out.